Today I will dive into one of the most fascinating landforms on Earth, the Yellowstone supervolcano. So the question we're going to be asking today is what impact an eruption of a supervolcano would have on human life and the environment as well. So a little bit of background. The volcano erupted 2.1 million years ago, 1.3 million years ago, and 640,000 years ago, which is a widespread in between, so it doesn't happen very often. So much material spewed out in the blasts that it created a collapse downwards, and hence the name the Yellowstone caldera. Now, how powerful would this eruption be? Experts claim that the supervolcano would be 1,000 times more powerful than the 1980 Mount St. Helens eruption, according to their computer simulations. The umbrella cloud would expand as far as 1,500 kilometers, meaning most of the U.S. would be covered, and the eruption would create winds that can overcome prevailing westerlies to spread ash throughout the country. So what's the human impact? No, it's not an extinction event. There would be massive death toll, as experts predict, according to their computer simulations as well, that 90,000 instant deaths would come from the blast, and many others would be stuck where they are due to the massive buildup of ash. Air travel would be halted, all communications would be disconnected, and ash would block roads and sewer lines and just really strand a lot of people throughout the states. And in the surrounding area of the caldera would be covered in nearly 15 meters of ash. The environmental impact would be astounding. The eruption would spew gases such as sulfuric dioxide, which absorb or reflect sunlight, creating a nuclear winter or a temporary cooling of the temperatures. This could have a huge climate effect, altering rainfall cycles and creating widespread crop failure, as well as having a year-long frost in some areas. This would just completely change climate in our area as we know it. How likely is an eruption? There is an annual chance of about 1 in 700,000 every year, and experts claim that there is a 99.9% chance that this doesn't happen in the 21st century. But there have been scares, and it can happen at any time. It would be on very short notice, but it is still very unlikely. So in short, the supervolcano is not likely to erupt soon, though if it did, millions would be directly affected by the blast and the ash umbrella that would cover the U.S. And the accumulation of gases being sent up into the atmosphere would create unparalleled climate change, dropping temperatures tremendously enough for a full year winter in most of the U.S.